Our company is really family business. My grandpa, he started this company in 1983, and then my dad, Roman, and my uncle Stanislav, they joined him around 1990s when my father married my mom, Anita. She also joined them as bookkeeper. Today we have around 100 trucks and around 200 employees. MS Expres drive between Italy and Germany mostly, because our biggest customers are in Italy, and we drive all kind of goods. Everything that go in frigo trailer. Mostly we do our maintenance in Varaždin, in Croatia, but sometimes we go in Zagreb or in Ljubljana, but anywhere that we go, we always get a good treatment.
The flexible maintenance is the tailor-made maintenance which fits the customer needs on top of their business. So it's focused on what customer is doing and not what Scania is doing. And flexible maintenance, it's hitting the spot. So it monitors the vehicle, it monitors the operation, and it ensures the maximal sustainability and uptime of the customer. So they basically maximize their efficiency and their profit, also with the benefits of not under-maintaining or over-maintaining the vehicle. We can see when and where the maintenance will come, and therefore we can use all the genuine parts, oil, and other parts that are needed for the vehicle if we see there is a need for changing the additional parts on top of what is actually planned. Znači, u principu, uptime je taj koji vam je jako bitan za vašu kompaniju, pretpostavljam radi hrane.
Radi hrane, radi svega, da kada vozimo hranu i vrlo je bitno da smo na terminu, na istovaru. Meni nije problem da ja javim da ja imam održavanje kamiona, to mi nije problem, ali mi je problem ako mi se u samom dovoženju same te robe pokvari kamion i ostane negde nasred puta gde dobijam i penale, gde dobijam mnogo veći trošak.
Znači, u principu si zadovoljan kad te mi zovemo.
Da, samog održavanja, to je vrlo bitna stvar, gde mi dobijamo informaciju konstantno.
We have some fixed fees that we pay, and we have some peace of mind. Then we can focus on some other part of business. But when I was a little kid, I was always around the trucks, and I want to continue what my granddad and my father and my uncle started, and it means a lot to me. So I continue this business because it's family business, it's our name here, and I just want to continue it.